Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record overseas transaction payments in Zoho Books. If you're dealing with international clients or suppliers, tracking payments in different currencies is essential for accurate bookkeeping and financial reporting. First, head over to the Zoho Books website by typing zoho.com/books into your browser. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Zoho Books dashboard where you can access all your financial records and transactions. Now, depending on whether you're recording a sale or a purchase, click on either the Customers tab or the Vendors tab in the left sidebar. This is where you'll manage all your contacts and their associated currency settings. If you're receiving payment from an overseas client, you'll use Customers. If you're paying an international supplier, you'll use Vendors. Next, you'll need to either add a new customer or vendor or edit an existing one. This step is crucial because you need to associate the appropriate foreign currency with that contact. When you create or edit the contact, you'll see a currency field where you can select from various international currencies. This ensures that all future transactions with this contact will automatically use the correct currency. Once your contact is set up with the right currency, it's time to create the actual transaction. Click on the plus new button and select the transaction type you need, whether that's an invoice for sales, a bill for purchases, or an expense for other costs. Zoho Books will automatically apply the foreign currency you assign to that customer or vendor. Fill in all the transaction details carefully, making sure the transaction currency matches your customer or vendor's foreign currency. You'll notice that Zoho Books displays both the foreign currency amount and your home currency equivalent, which is helpful for tracking your actual financial position. Once everything looks correct, save the transaction. You can also send it directly to the customer or vendor if needed. Finally, when it's time to record the payment, simply open the transaction and click Mark as paid. Zoho Books will handle the currency conversion and record the payment accurately in your books, keeping your overseas transactions organized and compliant. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.